Hello friends, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we're gonna learn how you can wipe our hard drive or memory stick completely, and it's gonna be unrecoverable. Not 100%, but the best method to protect our data on memory stick and hard drive. So in this video I have some memory stick memory from my camera, and I try to delete or wipe all the data from the partition, and it's gonna be not unrecoverable. You can usually format it on Windows, very easy, but with that method it's gonna recover very easy as well. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm using a software called MiniTool Partition Wizard. So we're gonna run the program, connect your USB drive on the computer, and from the main window of the software you can see different disks show up, and capacity and partition. The one I'm gonna do the wiping process on that partition is this one, disk 3, SSD USB removable. So as you can see, it's almost 30 gigabytes. So what I'm gonna do, I choose that memory stick or hard drive. It depends which hard drive or memory you try to wipe it. If it's hard drive, for example, this one is 1 terabyte, I choose that one. This one is just my memory stick, I need to wipe that data, I'm choosing that one and right click on that. And after I choose wipe partition, from the main window here you can see they have kind of 5 different wiping methods. So the easiest one, and is gonna be very fast, is number 1, fill sector with 0, and the best option is gonna be number 5, DOD1 7 passes. Is gonna be very slow, but is the best method to wipe the partition on that hard drive or memory stick. With this method you're gonna protect your previously data on that memory or hard drive, and it's quite hard to try to recover those data with software unless you access to some hardware material for recovery. So in this case I'm choosing the latest option, which is gonna be the best option with wiping this partition. As you can see, they say wiping partition will remove every sector of data on the partition. Data once wiped cannot be recovered by any data recovery solution. So this is what they claim on that. So after choosing the right option, I click on OK, and you can see in the left side in operation pending, you can see wiping partition is ready to apply on that partition. The only thing I have to apply, click on apply button, and I'm gonna see this message gonna ask you, are you sure about what you're gonna do with that hard drive or memory stick? I say yes, please start to the process. So after applying, you're gonna see the wiping partition start to happening. So it's gonna take quite a while, depends on the capacity of your hard drive or memory stick. In this case my memory stick is 30 gigabytes, probably take about 30 minutes to 1 hour, but this is the best method. I found it out and I can just share it with you. And you have to wait when all this process is finished. In the end you have to format that disk again, then you can start to using it again quite well with no any worry about your previous data on that memory stick. As I said, because this is the highest level of wiping method DoD 7 passes, it's gonna take quite long time and you have to wait. So in this video I'm pausing the video when it's finished, and we're going to do the second step. That is gonna be the formatting the memory stick and start to using it again. So after when the wiping data is finished, the last thing we have to do, we have to right click on it, click on format. If you want to put a partition label, you can type something here. If not, choose a file system as a default, or FAT32 in Windows 10, and if it's Linux swap, and we choose NTFS and click on OK. You can see in the left side corner operation pending format. Click on apply, yes, and as we can see, apply all pending change success. Now you can use your memory stick and hard drive again with wiping partition and format, and the data quite unrecoverable. I hope you enjoyed this video and it's gonna be useful for you. Good luck.